Hi guys, today we are doing a collaboration with Barile Acrylic Art. I know I've been doing a lot of collaborations, but it makes me think outside of the box and it makes things interesting, which is cool, and it also helps introduce you guys to new artists and their work. So, you know, I like doing that. So I met her on Instagram, and she does. It's really cool. She pretty much showed me that no matter what, you can blow out whatever you want. So, and it's okay to blow it out. And I really appreciate that. But anyway, so because of that, I asked her if she wanted to do a collaboration, and she was down. So here we are. And the rules for our collaboration is pretty much a purple and white base, and we picked our own colors. So kept it pretty simple for this one, and we both decided to do a Dutch pour. So pretty much I wanted to do, since we're in fall now, I wanted, even though we did purple, I wanted to try to keep it fall color. So we did orange, and I put down some umber and some golds, and of course I had to keep with the purple tone, so I put in some blue violet, and now I'm putting down some more orange. So I just kind of repeated some of these colors again. But then what I also put down, I just recently got in some Amsterdam titanium white. Now this helps create some cells, but I wasn't quite sure what was going to happen because this is my first time using it. So I only put a little bit down because I was like, I don't know what it's going to do. It's kind of an experiment. So, but in the end, you'll see it does create a little bit of cells. Some of it's covered up, but now, sorry, I hit the camera. But when I go to blow this out, something happens. I don't even know what happened, but it didn't blow out like normal. And I actually edited it out because after I blew it out, I kind of stood there and looked at it like, what in the world? Like, what happened? I don't even know. So anyways, I had to kind of salvage it because it didn't blow out like I wanted it to at all. I was just like, what? Because I mean, the first blow that I did with the blow dryer was beautiful. It was stunning, and then I was like, what happened? Everything just, I don't know, whatever. Thankfully I was able to salvage it and pull the colors out from underneath a little bit. I don't even know. This has never happened before. But true to Pipi's paintings, right? Something is always happening. I mean, what can I say? Always. Something is always happening. I'm always having to do something extra special to my paintings, right? Whatever. Anyways, so, and now these next couple clips, I apologize, my head is in the way, but I wanted to show you guys every kind of step of the way. Yes, it is fast forwarded, but I ended up getting paint in my hair. So I'm trying to hold it out of the way. But here I am actually blowing out, and I went and got a headscarf just to hold my hair out of the way. But I do end up using my mouth because I didn't want to, I wanted a more organic look than what I get with the blower. And then here I'm actually putting down some more color in the purple because I really liked what I had up top, but I felt like there wasn't enough down in the purple, so I wanted to get more color down there. So I went ahead and put some more color down there in the purple. And here I'm using my blower again. This is, for all of you guys that don't know, this is an air mattress blower. It is battery operated, so I don't have a cord. And it blows not as much air as a blow dryer, but more air than what you get with your mouth, and more air than what you get with a straw. So, you know, it's a nice happy medium. So, you know, it gives you a little bit more options. Again, I'm sorry my head is in the way, but I wanted to kind of let you guys kind of just see the whole process of this and how it developed, instead of just saying, ta-da, here it is, this is what it was, and kind of see, you know, how it developed. But I mean, the orange and the purple, I really like the combination. It turned out really well, I think, considering what could have been. Because, yeah, again, as usual, it made me work for this one. It wasn't just a simple blow it out and, oh, it's beautiful, it's stunning. No, I blew it out and was like, wait a minute, what happened? So, and then I wanted to have, you know, I had the negative space up in the white, so I wanted to make sure that I could keep some negative space in the purple, and there was some paint down there in that corner, and I was like, you know what, I want to make sure that it stays negative and something doesn't pop up as it dries. So I went ahead and put some more purple paint down there, and then I just wanted to blow just a little bit of the color over top of it, just to, you know, smooth it out a little bit. Yeah, and then I was happy. So it's like, whew, thank goodness. Okay, now we're good. So, and now I'm just cleaning up the sides. But let's go down for the wet reveal so you can see what we got going on here. And just the colors just blended in really nicely. I think we got some nice fall colors going on, even with the purple combined in there. And as you can see, we got some nice white / orange cells up there in that corner. And the Umber adds in that nice kind of bronzy, goldy, sparkly in there. I love the Umber with the gold and the orange. It just makes it pop. And here's the dry reveal. So I hope you guys enjoyed this collaboration, and I want you to go ahead and go over to Barile Acrylic Art and check out her channel and watch her collaboration, because she did a Dutch pour as well. And you know, like and subscribe, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Check me out on Instagram, because we're always having fun over there. And I hope you guys have a great day.